Hello, happy people. Let's talk about the glorious topic of taxes when you sell a property in SoCal and also beyond. So, capital gains tax, first topic on our list of 7. We're going to go through 7. When you sell your primary residence, which is a residence in which you've lived 2 out of the last 5 years, you can avoid, not defer, but completely avoid $250,000 of capital gains, which is awesome, or $500,000 if you're married and filing jointly. This is a huge savings to the tune of maybe $125,000 if you've made over $500,000 in capital gains on your primary residence when it's time to sell. Number 2. All Southern California counties have the same property transfer tax rate. However, different cities may have different transfer tax rates. So when it comes to selling a property, your city or your escrow company will help you figure out what that might be. Number 3. The LA mansion tax is a fun topic. If you own a property worth over $5 million, LA now wants to charge you an extra 4%, which comes out to $200,000. Or if your property is worth over $10 million, they want to charge you another 5.5%, which is $550,000. No problemo. Nothing but chump change between friends, eh? Number 4, when you're selling an investment property, if you have a large profit on your property, some people will take that opportunity to also sell another property they own which might have a loss. That might offset their gain and reduce their tax burden that year. Simultaneously, you've heard 1031 exchanges being thrown around. If you sell an investment property at a gain, you can exchange that money into another investment property of equal or greater value to defer, not avoid, but defer your taxes until a later date, until you sell the second property or give it to your heirs who might inherit it, free of California state taxes, but the feds might still want their share. Number 5, when you inherit a home. I've prefaced this in the last bullet point, but basically, California doesn't charge you an estate tax. However, the feds may still come knocking on your door for their fair share. Number 6, if you have a mortgage or home equity debt relief program that forgives your mortgage debt or your home equity debt, well, Uncle Sam may still come asking for that as income. They may want you to pay taxes on that forgiven debt as your income. And lastly, number 7, depreciation recapture is a fun topic for investors who have claimed depreciation over many years. When they go to sell their property, Uncle Sam may ask for them to pay their share of the depreciation in which he has so graciously granted them for so many years. So if any of these 7 topics or others about the tax burden or the tax implications of selling a property come to mind and you want to talk about them, please feel free to give us a call, or your CPA or your wealth advisor, or if you want us to recommend someone, we're happy to help you find someone trustworthy that can guide you through this process. And of course, we're here for all your real estate needs. And if you're watching online, and if you're on YouTube or one of those other fun channels, please feel free to subscribe and hit the bell and whatever all those other cool social media gurus say. We would love to stay in touch. Talk to you soon. Take care.